Yeah, thank you very much for giving me opportunity to present my talk at this wonderful conference. Myself, Dr. Prashant, working as a professor at Datta Meghe Ayurvedic College, Nagpur, Maharashtra, India. Next slide, please. Ayurveda for mankind. Ayurveda is nothing but a health science. For 3 millennia, Ayurveda has provided excellent health solution to humanity. Since ancient times, traditional healers and Ayurveda doctors in India and its neighboring nations have regularly employed these Ayurveda drugs for greater health for mankind. Next one. Ayurvedic medications are more effective, have fewer adverse effect, and provide patients a variety of medication options. It possessing a vast array of herbal, polyherbal, and herbal mixtures as medications which can shed light on development of novel compounds which higher efficacy at lower doses for range of illnesses. Next one. Present Ayurvedic medicine dose formulation follows standard approach to the drug delivery system component, presenting the potential for producing these medications at nano level scale is necessary. Ayurvedic books from antiquity have refers several formulations such as bhasma in their scriptures. Next one. So there is one very wonderful branch currently existed in India that is called as Rashastra from Ayurveda context. The primary branch of Ayurveda called the Rashastra has emphasized the kinds of formulations which can use at the nanoscale. A careful analysis of recent study on the subject is required as well as any references to this medication found in traditional Ayurvedic ancient text and its classical counterparts. Next one. So, what is the focus of nanotechnology in Ayurvedic drugs? That is, in today's advanced medical science, pharmacology, nanotechnology is considered the prime technology. For Ayurveda, it's very relevant and significant. When comparing traditional drug delivery systems with current modern drug delivery system that take into account, the word nanos, which refers to nanotechnology, is Greek in origin. Nano drug delivery at incredibly small sizes is very useful for the target organ. Next one. Ayurveda has mentioned both herbal drugs and herbal drugs, but having large size of drug molecules as a therapeutic agent. So it may cause limitations to drug delivery system for the bioavailability and biosolubility of the drugs. Next one. But the field of nanotechnology studies particles with the sizes ranges from zero point 0.1 to 100 nanometers. An important area of Ayurveda called Rashastra focuses mostly on herbal formulations for the human use. One key idea in Ayurvedic Rashastra medicine is category medications, popularly known as bhasma in India. Bhasma has several key applications including anti-aging, immunomodulation, and quicker acting substances like rasayana. Next one. The majority of bhasmas are made of different metals such as gold, silver, copper, zinc, and their final products. The main method used to create bhasmas are mardana, that is grinding, and marana, that is incineration of metals and herbal fluids, along with QFI Ayurvedic medications for the processes. Next one. At the end of bhasma preparation method, minerals and metal become finer in size. This several instruments available to detect the sizes of this bhasma. Some of them been claimed bhasma sizes can be measured for at the nano level, like AFM atomic force microscope, SEM scanning electron microscope, which can detect gold bhasma at the 56 nanometer and so on. Next one. So major bhasma is available in India, that is called the Rajat bhasma, that is called silver bhasma as a nanomedicine. So Rajat bhasma, since the time of Charaka and his contemporary, silver, a precious metal, has been utilized for medicinal reasons by ancient acharyas. Rajat bhasma composition includes the traces of potassium, sodium, aluminium, free sulfur, and ferric oxide. The therapeutic uses of silver bhasma has been primarily made up for respiratory conditions. Rajat bhasma is typically administered in the doses 30 to 120 milligram. Next one. Swarna Bhasma. Indians have long recognized the medicinal benefits of Swarna. You can find the Charak Sahitas references for using this Bhasma. It's having phosphate, silica, metallic gold, potash, and trace elements like magnesium, copper, all are present in the Swarna Bhasma. Next one. So gold bhasma has been used as antipruritic to soothe irritated palms. Certain effective gold formulations are used to treat several conditions like anemia, respiratory conditions, cough, that is called as CASA, and tuberculosis like conditions. Swarna bhasma has a dose range of 50 to 30 milligram. Next one. Loha Bhasma, iron Bhasma. Since ancient civilizations, Loha is employed for numerous clinical conditions for externally, internally. In India itself, at varying doses during the Charaka period. Charaka is nothing but a sage which has been developed, the Charaka Samhita, which has mentioned several formulations for human use. Iron compounds were administered for anemia related diseases, primarily when hemopoietic system process were disrupted or blood iron level dropped. According to Shastra, Loha promotes life and vigor, elements many diseases, increases functionality in nearly all organs, has therapeutic properties. Next one. Ferric oxide and ferrous oxide make up low bhasma. Illness such as chest pain, abdominal lump, piles, liver illnesses, spleen diseases, phthisis, anemia, jaundice are commonly treated by using low bhasma, which is having the doses of 30 to 40 milligram range. Next one. One more popular bhasma in India is nothing but a tamra bhasma, that is a copper bhasma. Copper, an ancient metal, is also known as human civilization since the pre-Vedic period. That was a part of daily livelihood uses. This metal were used in the preparation of alloys, mainly brass and bronze. The desired property for medicinal uses were metallic sheen, bright reddish in color, heavy, soft for having high tensile strength and lacking impurities. Next one. Next one, please. So apart from use of tamra in management diseases like piles, obesity, phthisis, anemia, respiratory disorders, skin disorders, cough, edema, hyperacidity, chest pain, intestinal disorders, and liver disorders can be well treated by using this tamra bhasma. The normal prescription dose of this tamra bhasma is very low dose, that is 50 to 60 milligram. Next one. One more bhasma that is mainly used in the diabetes itself, that is called the Nag bhasma. That is the lead bhasma. In addition, Nag is also significant Puti Loha that has been known from the ages and referred to historical writings in India itself. According to Charaka, external application of this metal recommended for purposes that is called as the dermatological disorders. For medicinal uses, the ideal property of Nag, that is the lead, is a black lustrous when sliced. Next one. In terms of composition, Nag Bhasma is mostly composed of lead oxide and ferric oxide and mostly used in these diabetic disorders, urinary disorders, abdominal lump, leukorrhea, gastrointestinal disorders, and intestinal disorders are mainly well treated by this Naga Bhasma, that is the lead Bhasma. Its dosage is nothing but 30 to 120 milligram. Next one. This Mandur Bhasma is also a subcategory of Loho Bhasma, that is the iron Bhasma. It is another form of iron that has been used for therapeutic uses since antiquity in classical Ayurveda. I described in the Ayurveda Prakash, it is the debris collected after heating and beating process of iron around blacksmith anvil. The qualities of in Mandur for therapeutic purposes is ancient literature are smooth to touch, strong, heavy, luck, ferrous, or pictures. Next one. Administration of purified Mandura beneficial in the inflammations, jaundice, edematous conditions, and especially used in the anemia itself. And the chemical composition having a ferric oxides, ferrous oxide, magnesium, sodium. There are around 30 formulations of Mandura has been mentioned by Charak Samhita, having the dose range of 32 to 40 milligram. Next one. One more popular bhasma in India itself, that's a Vanga bhasma. Ancient Indian physicians called Vanga is teen. In Vanga, the quality is known as Khur Vanga, bright. It is very good property, Vanga, that is the teen bhasma. Smooth, soft, easily melted, shining and heavily prepared for the medicinal uses. Vanga bhasma is having magnesium, calcium, aluminium, ferric oxide and potassium. Next one. It is the main recommendation of this bhasma is mainly used in the diabetes itself, mostly in the type 2 diabetes. Vanga bhasma comes in the formulation that works in the uses, mostly used in the urinary disorders, that's respiratory disorders, worms, anemia, phthisis, leukorrhea, and some uterine disorders. Next one. Some studies are available, and this is the internet collection. Here I don't want to mention any copyright on this. That's Tamra Bhasma, Yashada Bhasma, Swarna Bhasma, Rajata Bhasma, Trivanga Bhasma. All are all these Bhasma is having the nanoparticle detector. In Tamra Bhasma, that's a copper oxide, different oxides of copper, 110 nanometer. Yashad Bhasma, zinc oxide, 520 micrometer. Swarna Bhasma, gold. Rajata Bhasma, silver sulfide, 1.0 micrometer. Trivanga Basma, lead, zinc and tin oxide, some Gandhaka Kajjali, mercuric sulfide, 0.210 micrometer, Mukta Basma, calcite, nanometer, Pravala Basma, calcium oxide, 1015 nanometer, Vikranta Basma, multimineral 520 nanometers, Mukti Basma, that is a calcium carbonate, Naga Basma is lead sulfide, Vanga Basma is tin oxide, and Shanka Basma is the calcium oxide, that is a 600 nanometer. Next one. So current focus is nothing but for many ages the bhasma has been utilized in Ayurveda medicines to treat wide range of ailments. It is established that bhasmas are made fine powder nanoparticles of metals and minerals and that have been unique properties for therapeutic standpoint. Since nanotechnology has been able to reduce the amount of medicine that need to be utilized as a drug, it has been potential to prevent variety of dose related side effects. Next one. This will also help to increase the potency and safety issues related to Ayurvedic drugs and formulations. Various Bhasma Pariksha is also used to including physical and chemical to assess the genuineness of the sample. Next one. So in the nutshell, we have to focus only two things, that is Ayurvedic medicines and nanotechnology together will offer highly helpful tool for creating future medications with improved bioavailability profiles and the lower toxicity. Bhasma is a component of an Ayurvedic herbometallic formulation, ancient nanomedicine used to cure variety of ailments. And because nanotechnology has the ability to decrease the amount of medicine that needs to be loaded, it can prevent variety of dose-related side effect. Next one. Additionally, this will aid in addressing concern about the safety potential in Ayurvedic medication and formulation. This analysis leads us to conclusion that adding Ayurvedic medication and formulation to nanomedicine will enhance their ability to cure a range of chronic illnesses. They will successfully raise the stability and viability while lowering the doses of the drug. So, by using this Bhasma, we can treat several conditions of the patients and give the nice result. And as well as there are so many chances to reduce the side effect of the drugs. So next one. So thanks very much for the organizers for giving me opportunity to present my topic at this wonderful conference. Thank you very much. If there is any question, please ask me.